the pursuit of power. It's a dance as old as time, a game of strategy, of influence, of understanding, and the delicate balance between presence and absence, predictability and surprise. In this arena, knowledge is your shield and wisdom your sword. Today we delve into the heart of power, unveiling 5 laws that can reshape your destiny. Prepare to see the world not as it is, but as it could be, through the lens of mastery.
Presence. It can be a powerful force, but even the sun in its constant brilliance can be taken for granted. It is in its absence, in the hush of twilight, that we truly feel its power. Presence too often reduces value. Like the sun, we notice its power most when it vanishes. Pause. Ambient silence plus vignette effect. Disappear. Let them feel your absence. Distance creates desire and respect. The rare is revered, and the overexposed dismissed.
The hunter stalks its prey, patient, calculated. But what happens when the prey can't predict the hunter's next move? Fear takes hold. Uncertainty. If people can't predict you, they can't control you. Pause. Heartbeat sound plus sudden silence. Unpredictability shatters expectations. It makes others cautious, nervous, and powerless. Become chaos wrapped in calm, strike from nowhere, and vanish.
Chapter 3. Law 18. Do not build fortresses to protect yourself. Isolation is dangerous. We crave security, walls that shield us from the storm. But true strength lies not in hiding, but in connection. Walls keep danger out, but they also keep opportunity away. Pause. Soft wind plus echoing footsteps. Isolation breeds weakness. Connections are your armor, your warning system, your reach. Step outside. Engage. Learn. Power is forged in the open, not behind stone.
Chapter 4. Law 19. Know who you're dealing with. Do not offend the wrong person. The world is a stage, and every player has their role. Some are pawns, easily manipulated. Others, queens and kings, wielding influence with a subtle glance. Not every enemy is worth the fight, but some fights you won't survive. Pause, deep hum, plus slow heartbeat sound. Learn who sits across from you. Some carry daggers behind smiles. Others forgive, but never forget. Misread them, and you might not get a second move.
Chapter 5. Law 20. Do not commit to anyone. Loyalty, a virtue, some say. But in the game of power, unwavering allegiance can be a double-edged sword. It can elevate you, but it can also bind you, limiting your options. Loyalty is a chain in disguise. Pause. Ambient breath plus fading tension. Those who commit too soon lose their leverage, remain elusive, desired. Let others chase you. The unattached hold the real power.
Power is not inherently good or evil. It is a tool, a force, waiting to be shaped by those who understand its laws. These 5 laws are just the beginning, a glimpse into the intricate dance of influence and strategy. Which of these laws challenged your mindset the most? Comment below and step deeper into the game of power. The path to mastery awaits.